how to create a document type in SAP. To create a document type in SAP, we will use transaction code OBA7. So SAP has given all the document types. Still, sometimes what happens, we need to create some document types as per the requirement of the business. So in that case, we will copy any one document type. Let's say I'm copying SA, copy it. Let's say there are some transactions they wanted to book under ZA document type. So ZA is the document type where they wanted to book some first copy related transaction. First copy means they use some test material from some of the vendors, and that they wanted to book under this document type. So we have created this document type and press enter here. So this has been created. You can give the name first copy material or a sample material. I will give sample material and double click on it. So here we need to select what are the types of transactions we are going to do. Means this will be asset related transactions. We have to say if we these transactions are linked to asset, then we have to select this one or else ignore this one. And if these transactions are linked to customer, then we have to select or else we will ignore. And if it is not related to any of the uh, asset or a customer, we can ignore like this by selecting the deselecting the checkbox. Okay, in this case, I will keep, we will do some transaction with customer, we will do some transactions with vendor, material is required, GL is required. So we have selected all the four transactions which are required for us, then save it. Whatever the transaction we don't need, we can ignore, and whatever the transaction we require, we can use that one. Thank you.